Okay, we want to find the cube roots of each complex number and write the answer in trig form. Graph each cube root as a vector in the complex plane. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are trying to find all the roots, and we're going to use our nth root theorem. And so first I'm going to look at what we're given, which was 27i, and we want to rewrite this in trig form. Now 27i means that this is all the sine component, right? There's no real component, it's all imaginary, so the cosine is going to be 0. So my 27 goes out in front, and then I need something that's going to give me cosine of 0, so that works 90, because then sine of 90 will give me 1, okay? So 0 plus I times 1 is going to give me back this. So this and this equal each other. I'm just expanding it out so that I have it in form so I can use my nth root theorem. So that's our first step. Now, what's the cube root of 27? Well, that's 3. So this is going to be our leading term. And then we need to figure out our alpha. So our alpha is going to be this divided by the number of roots, so 3, plus 360 k, so 1 lap around, and if we were in radians, would be 2 pi divided by 3. And so both of these here, this is the root, and we were told right here it's a cube root, a third root. And we simplify this down, so this is 30 plus 120k. Now to find each specific one, so we're going to do k of 0, k of 1, k of 2. You're always one less than where you are, so we wanted to go to 3 because we always start at 0. So we have 3 roots here, 0, 1, and 2. And if you think about it, when you divide on anything, you always go down 1 degree. So then k of 0 is going to be 30, right? Because alpha is going to be 30 because I'm going to put in a 0 for there. Alpha here is going to be 30 plus 120, which is 150, and then this is 270 because that's going to give me 240 plus 30. So then I'm going to write these in trig form. They just get a 3 out in front of them. So I have 3 CIS 30, 3 CIS 150, and I can put a degree sign here, and 3 CIS 270. And so those are my roots. Now if I wanted to write these as vectors, and that was the last thing they asked me to, I'm just going to find the degree, so 30 here, and I go out 3, so there's 30, 150 would be over here, and 270 would be straight down. And so those would be my vectors, and that's really all there is to it. And they're going out, this is 3.